I get this question all the time. Devin, what is YouTube automation and what parts of a channel can actually be systemized? Simple answer, YouTube automation is not set it and forget it. It's turning repeatable channel work into a process that tools or people can run consistently without you rebuilding the whole thing every time you publish. The easiest way to think about it is in 4 functions: decide, produce, publish, and improve. Decide means your niche, audience, video angle, and quality bar. You can use research tools here, but you usually should not fully automate this part. This is where taste, judgment, and audience understanding matter most. Produce is the most systemizable layer. That includes topic research, briefs, outlines, script handoffs, asset gathering, editing checklists, thumbnail variations, review steps, and file organization. If it repeats every video, it should have a template. Publish is also easy to systemize. Titles, descriptions, chapters, upload checklists, scheduling, playlists, end screens, and pinned comments. Improve is partly systemized. You can automate analytics reporting, retention reviews, winner tracking, and repurposing prompts, but a human still needs to interpret what the data means. My rule is simple: automate repetition, not judgment. If you want one workflow layer for templates, approvals, and handoffs, Satura is useful for that, but a real channel still needs a human deciding what is worth making.